Pictures.
You were going here.
It's over here. Oh. We gotta get the cars. What, baby? Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, my love. Yeah. Merry Christmas. You have a brand new car. Uh-huh. This is your car, baby. See? I had to keep it hidden from you. It was hard. You've earned it. You've worked for it, baby. So, baby, getting your beautiful car. It is your BMW X6. You don't have to use your mom's car any longer because it's your car, baby. Yeah, baby, get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Go try it out, baby. So, baby got a brand new car here. Merry Christmas, my love. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. You like it, baby? That's your hat. It's your BMW hat, baby. And see, got you a nice little kid, you know, and got you a nice little kid in there as well. Can you drive this thing? Do you know how to drive this car? So baby doll got a brand new car.
Leave that in your trunk. It's an emergency.
Yeah. Yeah. Of course, baby, I love you. Of course. Of course. Baby, go test drive it. Drive it down and drive it around. See how it feels. Take that bow off. Yeah, you can take it off. Take the bow off. Yeah, yeah. You gonna be able to handle that? You gonna be able to handle that vehicle, baby? Huh? It's kind of fast, so you make sure you make sure you drive it very well. So baby taking off here in her brand new BMW X6 here. She's excited. She deserves it for Christmas here. Oh, we need to clean it again. Huh? Ah, you guys didn't know it was hitting. I've had it. Oh, yeah, exactly. You know how to drive it? You know how to drive? You know how to put in? Right there. Put in drive. No, you don't have to put the key in. So, is it on? There you go. You feel it? Now put it in drive. Now you're going to have to work and figure out your car. You're going to spend some time with it tomorrow and learn what it all does, because it does a lot of things. It massages your back. You got heated seats. You got your Bluetooth here. There you go, baby. Go slow. Take it out, baby. Do your thing, baby. Do your thing. Yeah. Much love. All praises to the Most High. God is greater. Baby, look where you're going. Go. You know how to do it? Go ahead. Let's see if she knows how to drive. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Look at little boob trying to get a drive on. All praises to the Most High. God is the greatest. Much love, folks. Let's go.